This will be for the con assignment, find missing length when given area of a parallelogram. So on this one, we're working backwards, okay? It says the parallelogram shown below has an area of 15 units. Recall that the formula for the area of a parallelogram equals the base times the height. So in place of the area, I'm going to plug in 15 for A. Now remember, the base for a parallelogram is one of the side lengths. So this right here will be the base. That's 3. And you plug in place of B. And the height H is given. It says right here, H. Okay, it makes a right angle here, but this side is parallel to this side. So it also makes a right angle here. Okay, remember the height and the base always make a right angle with each other. So the height is just H. In place of H, I'm going to keep it as H. All right. And from here, it's easy, just solving for H. The opposite of times 3 is divided by 3. So we do that to both sides. 3 divided by 3 cancels, and 15 divided by 3 is just 5. So H equals 5. And you just enter that in the box. So same formula every time. Area is base times height. The area is given. It's 84 in place of A. The base B is one of the side lengths right here. That's a 6. And the height H is this right here. Okay, if it makes a right angle here, it also makes one here. So the base and the height are perpendicular to each other. In place of the height H, we're going to keep it as H. All right, solving for H, the opposite of times 6 is just divided by 6. And the 6's cancel. 6 into 8 is 1. Carry the 2. 6 into 24 is 4. Okay, you can also just do it on the calculator, but that equals H. So you just enter that in the box. H equals 14. All right, same formula. The area is given as 20, so in place of A, I'm going to write 20. The base B is one of the sides. They only gave us this one side, but actually it's a variable, so it's just B. All right, this side length here is B. And the height H has to be perpendicular. If it makes a right angle here, it makes a right angle here. So this right here is the height. In place of H, I'm going to write 4. The opposite of times 4 is divided by 4. The 4's cancel, and 20 divided by 4 is just 5. So in the box, you type B equals, you just type the 5. All right, so in all of these, they give us the area. It says the area is 72. I'm going to plug in 72 in place of A. And now the base B is one of the sides. Okay, we can see right here, this is the height, and it's going to be perpendicular right here. Okay, if it's perpendicular here, it's also perpendicular here. So we're not using this side. We're using this side, and this right here is going to be the base B. So in place of B, I'm going to write 6. And the height is right here. We don't know what it is. Leave it as H. All right, dividing both sides by 6. The 6's cancel. 6 into 7 is 1. Carry the 1. 6 into 12 is 2. So the height H is just 12. All right, so you use the same formula every time, and the area is given in the first sentence.